Top 5 strongest animals on Earth. Number 1 will surprise you. But first, if you think this bunny is cute, like and subscribe. Number 5, gorilla. This beast can lift over 10 times its body weight. Number 4, tiger. Pure muscle built to overpower anything. Number 3, bear. One swipe from this monster can crush bones. Number 2, elephant. It can move massive trees like they're toys. Number 1, rhino. A charging tank with unstoppable force. Who wins in a fight? Comment below.